Hey everyone, it's Otto and we'll see you with another video. If you don't know, I haven't been making videos yet because I kind of threw my phone and it broke. And the lens pretty much broke, so I can't do videos anymore. Kind of just went black. So yeah, and I wanted to do the video. Well, I never had anything to do video on Saturday Night Live. So I'll do a video. I have nothing to do video on. Yeah, I don't know. Oh yeah, hey everyone, I'm showing you my Switchblade comb. It's a comb. So you don't even be like, I'm gonna get you. Oh, this is my knife. And so, yeah, it's like the best thing on Mother Earth. I scared a kid with it once. It's like this. Dun dun dun, charge! Could be like, dun 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 dun, ow! Dun 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 dun, charge! So that includes Saturday Night Live, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Otto, signing off. Boop.